Welcome to English Business Mastery, the ultimate destination for professionals who want to dominate the global business stage with confidence and finesse. In the high-stakes world of business, your ability to communicate effectively isn't just a skill, it's your competitive edge. Welcome to Boost Your Career with Essential Business English Phrases, the series that doesn't just teach you English, but transforms you into a confident, professional communicator ready to dominate any boardroom. Inspired by the sharp-witted world of Suits, we've set our scenes in a high-end accounting firm where every word counts. This isn't about rote memorization or basic vocabulary. It's about mastering the strategic, sophisticated language that top professionals use to stand out. Here's what sets us apart. Each episode delivers a dynamic experience. We kick off with an introduction that hooks you in, follow it with a catchy song to make the phrases stick, dive into realistic dialogues that bring them to life, and wrap up with an interactive quiz to sharpen your skills. No dull lessons, no generic content, just practical, career-boosting English you won't find anywhere else. Let's dive into episode 1. Imagine you're in a meeting and someone interrupts you. You could say, "Thanks for your input, but let me finish my point." Simple but forgettable. Or you could command the room with, "I appreciate your interjection. However, allow me to expound on my perspective further." That's the difference we're talking about. Polished, powerful phrases that turn heads and build authority. That's what you'll master today. So, buckle up, business pros. Watch, learn, and practice with us, and take your career to the next level. This is Boost Your Career with Essential Business English Phrases, your gateway to professional excellence.
Step into the spotlight, let's begin the show. At Lemoyne and Associates, we're rewriting the flow. I respect your interjection, let's elevate the tone. Let me finish my analysis, this throne is your own. Prayer on, no basic words, we're playing chess, not checkers. Say let's catalog that thought, impress every sector. Speak like a pro, rise to the top. These phrases are your power, never gonna stop. From structured sequence to challenge with grace, dominate the boardroom, own your space. Speak like a pro. Drop the say, let's preserve the discourse. Optimize the dialogue, take the lead, no remorse. Hold your inquiries, keep that focus tight. Revisit later, yeah, we're winning this fight. I implore, uni mic drop, no debate. Luol the protocol, seal the deal first rate. At Lemoyne and Associates, we're the voice you need. Turn every maybe into yes indeed. Speak like a pro, rise to the top. These phrases are your power, never gonna stop. Elaborate further, respectfully request. Dominate the boardroom, own your space. Mic drop, Sophie, let's close this case. Speak like a pro. You've got the tools, now go own that room.
Have you ever been interrupted mid-presentation and felt your momentum slip away? At EBM, we don't simply say, "Wait your turn." Instead, we command respect through precise, assertive language. Watch as Victor Lemoyne masterfully transforms chaotic interruptions into opportunities for clarity, employing a distinctive vocabulary that truly sets him apart.
Let's preserve the integrity of this discourse by adhering strictly to our speaking protocol. Julian, begin with the Q2 audit findings.
Thank you. Our analysis reveals a 12% discrepancy in...
But shouldn't we prioritize the Asian markets first?
I value your insights, Clara, but kindly permit me to complete my explanation before we proceed. Julian, continue.
As I was saying, the discrepancy stems from
This approach is too risky.
Given the complexity of our discussion, it would be best to refrain from interruptions until I finish. For the sake of efficiency, let's stick to our planned order of speakers.
But I want...
Your contributions are noted, yet I must insist on delivering my complete argument for full comprehension. To avoid disrupting the narrative flow, please hold your inquiries until I have concluded my remarks. I suggest we catalog your observations for later discussion, after I have fully presented my argument. I appreciate your interjection. However, allow me to expound on my perspective further.
When a client threatens to walk away, basic phrases like, "hear me out," fail. Here's how Antoine Lefebvre and Sophie Moreau deploy expert-level language to salvage a $5 million account.
This proposal is reckless. I'm not signing anything.
I understand your position, however. I implore you to let me complete my thought before interjecting. To ensure clarity, may I take a moment to elaborate on my previous point?
I am mindful of your perspective, yet I would appreciate the opportunity to finish my detailed explanation. Permit me to continue, as your point will be acknowledged once I have finished.
Your numbers don't add up.
In the interest of maintaining a coherent dialogue, let us allow each speaker their due time to express their ideas. It is essential that we proceed in an orderly fashion to ensure a robust and comprehensive discussion.
Your interjections are duly noted. Let's revisit them during the designated discussion period. Might I suggest we reserve further commentary for the Q&A segment?
I propose we adhere to our established speaking protocol to optimize the efficiency of this meeting. To maintain a seamless communication process, I respectfully request that you refrain from interjecting until the Q&A session.
Fine. Explain this clause again.
I'm eager to address your concerns, but please allow me to conclude my current analysis. Welcome your valuable insights. However, let's follow our structured sequence to ensure clear and productive dialogue.
Welcome to EBM's Interactive Quiz Challenge. Today, we're diving into 10 thrilling scenarios that will test your communication and negotiation skills in high-pressure professional settings. Each question is designed to sharpen your ability to respond with precision and confidence when it matters most. As you watch, you'll encounter real-life challenges where every word counts. And now, we want you to join the conversation, especially on quiz question number 10. Once you've absorbed all the scenarios, head over to the comments and share your answer to question 10. Your insights could spark an engaging discussion and inspire others. So, are you ready to put your professional skills to the test and see how you stack up against the challenge? Let's get started and make every word count. Client meeting. Mr. Durant interrupts Sophie's presentation. She responds, "Your interjections are duly noted." During the designated period. Team conflict. Julianne argues over Victor's strategy. Victor says, you to let me complete my thought before interjecting." Audit review. Clara questions Antoine's report. He replies, "To maintain a seamless process, I bemon that you refrain from interjecting." Deadline pressure. Victor insists, "For the sake of Champ-Damon, let's stick to our planned order." Risk assessment. Sophie says, "It is essential we proceed in an orderly manner to ensure compliance." Client objection. Louis responds, I suggest we your observations for later discussion. Budget meeting. Camille states, to avoid disruptions, please your inquiries until Q&A. Strategy pitch. Antoine says, I am a man of your perspective, yet I need to finish my analysis. Partnership negotiation. Victor declares, I propose we add to our established protocol. Final deal. Sophie concludes, let's follow our structured to close this deal.